Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we want to learn some dictionary methods. So we have this dictionary called STU info, that is student info. Alright, so let's check out some methods that we can use on dictionaries. We bring our dot here, and then our first one is values. So if we run this, now what values does is it prints out all the values in the dictionary. Okay, in the previous video we learned that those on the right hand side here after the colon are called values, and those on the left hand side are called keys. So we are getting the values, that is Joe 22300 and CSC. We can also use the keys to print out the keys in a dictionary. Alright, so if we run this, we are getting the keys in the dictionary. We can also check if a particular element is a key in the dictionary. Okay, so if we check, let's say, food in stuinfo.keys, we are checking whether food is a key in the dictionary, and this will give us false. This is the same thing as doing food in stuinfo. This also checks if food is a key in the dictionary. But if we print age, we expect true because age is a key in the dictionary. We can also check if age is a value, and then if we run this, we expect false. But if we check, let's say 22 or CSC, we expect true because CSC is a value in the dictionary. Alright, let's check out some other methods that we can use. So we have the pop method. Let's check out what it does. If we run it this way, we expect an error because this works different from the one that we have seen before. Okay, pop expected at least one argument, got 0. So this pop method works differently from the ones that we have seen before. So we have to pass in here a key that we want to delete. Alright, so if we pass in here, let's say age, this will return the value of the key age, that is 22. But if you want to see what this pop method does clearly, let's cut this and then let me put it up here. And then if I print stu info, you will see that the key value pair of age and 22 has been deleted. So if we run this, we have name, level, and then program. So the pop method deletes a key value pair or an item from the dictionary. If we want the remove method that works like the pop method that we saw in the previous data types, then we can use the pop items. That one, if we run this, it deletes the last item in the dictionary. That is from Python 3.7 upwards. That is how it works. Python 3.6 and below, the pop item deletes any random item from the dictionary, but this one will delete the last item. So we can see that the program and CSC has been deleted from the dictionary. We can also use the .get method to get the value of a particular item. Alright, so if we run age here, we expect 22. So that is how the .get method works. Also, we can use the update method to update a particular dictionary or the items in a dictionary. So if we print update, then here we pass in a dictionary here, that is a key value pair. So let's say we want to update the level of this student. Alright, so we pass in a level, and then we bring our column here, and then we want to change the level to, let's say, 400. Alright, so let's copy this or cut this, and then let me paste it here. And if we print STU info now, let's see what we are getting. The level of the student has been changed from level 300 to level 400. But what we should know is that if the key doesn't exist in the dictionary, then it will create it. So let's say if we have, or we change this one to levels. Levels is not the same thing as levels. So it means that the key doesn't exist. Okay, the levels key doesn't exist in this dictionary. So it will create this key and then attach this value 400 to it. So if you run this one now, both level and levels will exist in the dictionary. So we have level 300 here and then levels 400 here. We learned in the previous video how to access items in a dictionary. Okay, by the way, if we print stuinfo.items, we will get all the items in the dictionary in a list of tuples. Okay, so this is a list, it's a date items, then the key value pair are in tuples. We have learned all these data types, so I expect that we know what we are talking about. Okay, so if you want to update or change a particular item, we can use the level method, or we can use stuinfo. Then we access that particular item that we want to change. So let's say here we want to change the name of the student to, let's say, Sam. And then if we print stuinfo now, we expect that the name of the student will be changed to Sam. So if we check name here, name has been changed to Sam. These are some very, very important concepts. Dictionary is very, very important in both data science. In every field of Python, dictionaries are very, very important. So I expect that you understand this. So these are the dictionary methods that we will look at. As we move along, we will learn the ones that will be needed for us or become necessary for us. The next video, we are going to explore more about Python. Dive into the wonderful world of Python. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.